and on a similar note to this one, so this is also a very simple way of taking typical calculations and sticking them in a shortcut, so that you don't have to remember how to do the calculation. You just follow through the user interface that you designed in shortcuts, and it does it for you. And one of the submitted shortcuts that we got was the shortcut Calculator Lite.
Yeah,
And
that one is great.
and as you can see here, this too is really nothing more than a very judicious use of choose from menu. And so you just have a bunch of different menus driving the user interface. And so you can calculate an expression, you can generate a random number, you can say more calculators. And then inside of that one, there's another choose from menu. You can say, okay, I'm going to do a time zone converter. And then it takes you through this. It's just one set of user interfaces after the next. Whoa. Look at all those places. That's so cool.
Wow.
The result of your calculation is May 8th, 2024. And then it uses more choose from menus in order to decide what to do with the result of your calculation. You can speak it, you can quick look it, you can copy it to the clipboard. You've got another choose from menu under here. And so it's just an example of a bunch of different things you can do in shortcuts, which is kind of fun. And they're all stuck inside of one little choose from menu, or a nested choose from menu.
Yeah, that's cool. I almost want to take that time zone functionality out of that and just have a separate shortcut for it.
Right?
Because I am notoriously bad with time zones. It's just so ridiculous.
And then it's really easy to read through this shortcut because it's, oh, look, more calculators. And then here's the choose from menu that had all the extra types of calculators. And then, oh, look, here's time zone converter. All we got to do is ask for a date, convert it from one time zone to the other time zone, and then these are set up as ask each time. And so by using ask each time as the variable, you get this customized user interface specific for this action. And so that one of the most useful ways of building a user interface in your shortcut is just to set the right variables to being ask each time. And you get these nice user interfaces depending on which action it is. And so this is a really fun shortcut because you can just go through here. If you like one of these calculations that it's doing, you can go, oh yeah, fraction to decimal, that's useful. And this shortcut, like, to me, this feels like it feels like a cheat sheet for a math test.
Right.
Because it's a bunch of common things, just like the tip calculator. This also has a tip calculator. Here's calculate tip. So it's just got a bunch of common algorithms that we follow, but you don't want to have to remember exactly how to do it. And so, if you need to calculate area or volume or whatever, you go in here. Here's a bunch of little geometry things. And then for perimeter, you get to select so it's a perimeter of a quadrilateral. And it just,
wow.
so it's just these fun little things. And you can see here he's making good use of calculate expression to get his sum all at once. We could have also defined a list and then had it calculate the sum using the calculate statistic action. But this is a really cool shortcut in terms of readability, and then also how ambitious it is. And it's really easy to build on this. If you want to provide more formulas here, you just go in here and click the plus, and now you've got another place to do your next formula. And so this is this shows really well how you can build on shortcuts once you've got the basic shortcut written.